Lock it to the
cocoyam. This cocoyam is sorry, no.
I don't even off the fire on that. For time it's okay not too soft.
Peeling cocoyam before they cook it.
It would have to be the same now. Not all peanut.
But this one is seasoned.
No. Just like you peeling it without cooking and peeling it after cooking. All peanut. Who is that? Okay. Wait.
Right. It's not ready yet.
Okay.
You have to boil it.
So her and the other one?
No.
I thought you put the other one in under. Okay.
Original then.
It's very rare. Finish.
It's okay.
It's okay, right?
By modern age.
That's why we're now.
I can remember that year that I used to pan. By the ball, that came from US. What are you always panding? In this 21st century, you are still panding. I don't know, you are young, but you are local. I don't want to cover of your. I'm going to buy this medicine I gave you. We joked, but the man told me his mind.
Abby?
Tell me mine.
When I put that, you say you no go work. Why are you looking for it?
Well, that's just I said no. This is oha leaf.
Don't know.
Inside my shell.
Meats for oha. Cocoyam for oha. Plantain for my children. Tomato for stew. Not done well, Baba.
I use other blender. Yes, today.
You come out the back, the yash.
Fish done.
So we're done peeling it. Now let's go blend it, and we're going to be using the food processor. It's going to process it better.
Instead of panding.
This is basically panding it now.
Instead of manual panding.
Have you?
This is the cocoyam
Yeah.
going inside the pots. It's over 2 years that I cook oha soup. I pray this one goes well.
Which one did they pray for your ass? Make it go well.
So that my wife will yab me.
I go yab you
because I
die.
used to yab her when she cook unacceptable food.
I go yab you die. Turn this thing, make camera they see am.
If you blame me, I blame the cocoyam.
Okay. Can we use the other spoon now?
Bad job. You will blame me your tools.
Because the tools now no good.
My hammer was the
bent.
mouth was the mouth was bad. The head of the hammer, when I was holding it, bent. So that is why the work is like that. The soup is bad. I will blame the cocoyam. Now just to leave it to boil for some time to dissolve.
To dissolve, yeah. Okay.
When it dissolves and the cocoyam goes in.
Got taken.
Yes. It's already getting taken, sorry.
Yeah.
The best to use for oha soup, not achi. No, some people use flour. No. Oha soup is cocoyam.
What about bitter leaf soup?
Bitter leaf soup also, cocoyam is better.
Okay, like fresh one like this one.
Yes.
Okay.
If not, that getting this fresh one is a bit difficult. Sometimes you buy some of them,
And it will not be good, yes.
I'm lucky to get this one.
Oh my god, I don't tire. Oh my god. To cook is not easy. Especially when you want to do bulk cooking like this, Jesus. Oh, my back, my feet, my leg, everywhere is paining me. Oh, let me rest a little. My husband is strong. I will never even, now just 2 soup will they cook today. God, I'm so tired. Yeah, the soup is ready. Now time to put vegetable inside of the soup.
So how is plenty?
China oha soup now. So it has to be like oha. And there's one thing I used to observe: when you put oha inside soup, there will be foam. It will be doing foaming. Like, are you not seeing it? Is it not doing foaming there? So you guys, our soup is ready.
You see why I need to put.
Beverly! Stop making noise. I'm making a video.
So I need to put oil because this is how on its own. It's in the draw oil.
It's okay. Done. Soup done with that. Soup done with that.
All this meat don't disappear.
Soup done with that.
What a delicious